Hi, I'm Justin.
And I'm Ashley.
And this is our backyard.
We love coming back here with our two boys, running around in the backyard and swimming.
And we've been putting off an upgrade for our patio area here, and I think it's time that we elevate our space.
I agree.
Let's do it.
No doubt about it. Everyone enjoys spending time outdoors with family and friends. So having an inviting space can make all the difference.
Backyard Discovery is the leading manufacturer in outdoor shade structures. We give families the ability to create lifelong memories. My name is Heather Napier. I am the marketing director at Backyard Discovery. We are currently in Coconut Creek, Florida, assembling a gazebo for some lovely homeowners that needed to elevate their space.
Look at this, Backyard Discovery.
This looks really nice.
These are nice. Yeah, so obviously we're gonna want something that's really safe with the kids and everything.
Of course.
Yeah.
A good structure, though, that
Good
can
structure.
be held down.
Yeah, I saw in here too that it's Pro-Tect certified, which I know is gonna be really great for safety with the kids being under it.
Just in case we have hurricanes
Absolutely.
or anything like that.
100-mile-per-hour winds.
That'll work.
And it's great since we're in Florida, it has the heat reduction layered roof, which is awesome.
Backyard Discovery is all about these qualities. They use sustainable woods such as cedar, as well as galvanized steel, so their products are high quality and built to last.
We can put some lights up there. This is beautiful. I really like this.
I think we should get this one.
Jackson, come here. Check this out.
Here, buddy, come look.
Look. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Should we get that? All right.
Yes, we should get it, guys.
Woo.
With their choice made, it's time to get going, with a little help from friends and neighbors.
All of our shade structures are Pro-Tect certified, so we go through the painstaking process to test everything. Up to 100-mile-an-hour winds, they're certified. All of our different sizes of gazebos have market-leading strength certification in roof load, snow load. We stress about these things so you don't have to. Backyard Discovery makes it as easy as possible by manufacturing everything. We call it a kit. Everything comes pre-drilled, pre-stained, pre-cut, very few tools needed. We also partner with the Built app, which is supported assembly through 3D interaction. You can turn the product, move the product, turn it upside down, look at all the hardware. It really is the best support system when it comes to assembly. We are increasing their property value not only from the outside, but because you can see it from the inside, we are extending their living space to the outdoors.
Okay, well, it's shady over here.
Yes.
And
Hi, guys.
Hello. Hey. Oh my God, this is so
Doesn't
cool.
this look great?
Yes,
awesome.
It looks
I
wonderful.
love it. I heard you mention PowerPort.
Yes.
Is this where we're gonna put this?
Yes.
And this is probably the best side.
All of our pergolas and gazebos come with our exclusive PowerPort feature, which includes 3 USB ports and 3 electrical outlets for charging up devices, blenders, music, lights, lots of different things you can do under that gazebo as you're spending time with your family.
When we have people out here, we want it to look good, we want it to feel good, and there's a couple things we need to do to upgrade the space, and this gazebo is truly one of them that's gonna bring our yard to an A+.
Yes, it's very important to get together with our friends, family, make memories, have fun, just be together.
It's the people to us in our lives that we love and cherish the most.
Life is dull and boring without the people that you love. I think it's really important for human beings to connect together. It's important to spend time together, especially with the people that you love. And if Backyard Discovery can help you do that, then that's a win for us.
What a great accent to the yard.
Guys, it looks fantastic.
Hey.
It looks
I think we have a cup for you.
Oh, great, thank you.
Now we gotta do cheers again.
Yep, cheers.
Thank you.
Want to know more about getting your own ready-to-assemble backyard oasis? Visit backyarddiscovery.com or designingspaces.tv.